For spring semester 2021, you will need to join all 6 of your teacher's Schoology or Google Classroom courses, preferably on January 5th, but certainly before your first class on January 6th. You and your parents were emailed a cumulative list of course access codes that looks like this, but is a bit longer. This spreadsheet provides the codes that you will need to join your classes. Use your second semester schedule from Infinite Campus to find the course codes that you need. So start with your teacher's last name and then use the column on the spreadsheet that corresponds to the block when you have their class. The long codes with hyphens are for Schoology courses, and these shorter codes are for Google Classroom, which is primarily used only by science and music. So let's start with Schoology. Click on the cell that has the code you want to copy. Then right-click or use Control-C to copy that code. Then head over to Schoology. After you log into Schoology, you may already see some courses, and some may say Do Not Use. Campus creates sections in Schoology automatically, but we had a lot of problems with those sections last semester, so many teachers are not going to use them and instead have created their own classes. But we cannot get rid of these duplicate classes, or Infinite Campus will simply create them again. To join your course with the access code, click on Courses, My Courses, Join. Paste in the code. You will see a success message, and the course will appear in your alphabetical listing of classes on this page. If you paste in a code and get this message, it means that you are already a member of the class. Occasionally, teachers will manually enroll you, which is very nice of them since it takes a lot of time. Just make sure you see the course in your alphabetical listing. If you don't, and if you continue to get an error message, go back to the spreadsheet and double check that you copied all of the digits in the provided code and try again. Repeat this process of going to the spreadsheet and copying the relevant course codes and joining the courses in Schoology for all of your classes with these longer access codes. My next course has a really short code with no hyphens, which means it is for Google Classroom, so I'm going to skip that one for now. The next class on my schedule says Teacher Will Enroll, which means that my teacher is going to enroll me by January 6th, so I can also skip that one for now. Here's the next class code on my schedule. It has hyphens and it's long, so I know it's for Schoology, so I will copy that and head over to Schoology to join it. Before I leave Schoology, I'll use this Reorder Courses button to rearrange my classes in the way I want them to display. I'll drag my classes into the order that matches my schedule and put all of those Do Not Use classes at the very bottom out of the way. To find your Zoom link in Schoology for the first day of class, you'll just need to click on the name of your course, and it should be posted at the very top of the course landing page. Now let's try this process with Google Classroom. I'll head back to the spreadsheet. The Google Classroom codes are shorter and do not have hyphens. Similar to before, copy the code from the spreadsheet. In a new tab, go to Google Classroom and click the plus. Paste in the code and click Join. You will be taken directly to the course announcements or stream page. To find your Zoom links, you'll need to click on the Classwork tab. Your Zoom link should be at the very top of this page. Continue that process of using access codes until you have joined all of the classes on your schedule. If any say Teacher Will Enroll, you can skip those, and you will see those classes in Schoology by January 6th. If you have any trouble joining your classes or finding your Zoom links, please call the school or visit our drop-in Zoom office hours on January 5th from 1:30 to 3. You'll find information about how to join that on the RV homepage.